Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be solving quadratic equations using square roots. So let's get started. Our first step, whenever it says solve a quadratic, your first step is always going to be to set y equal to 0. So we're going to set y equal to 0. We still have our negative 75 plus 3x squared. Well, now I'm going to add 75 to both sides of the equation, plus 75 plus 75. Now my new equation is 75 equals 3x squared. Now I'm going to write the rest up here. Rewrite what I have. 75 equals 3x squared. Divide 3 on both sides. Divide 3 on both sides to get 25 equals x squared. The reason we want to kind of isolate everything from x squared is because now we're going to take the square root. So take the square root of x squared, take the square root of 25. We get that our answer is plus or minus 5 equals x. The reason why it's plus or minus 5 is because, well, negative 5 times negative 5 equals 25, and positive 5 times positive 5 equals 25. Both of these numbers, 5 and negative 5, are the square root of 25. The square root is the reverse of squaring a number. That's how you should think of it. Okay, so our next example seems a little bit tricky, but it isn't really too bad. Our first step is to set y equal to 0. So we're going to have x squared over 4 plus 16 equals 16. And remember, y is equal to 0, so plus 0. Well, that plus 0 is really just going to not affect our problem at all, so we can just get rid of it. Alright. Now we're going to isolate everything from our x variable, so we're going to subtract 16 on both sides to get x squared over 4 equals 0. Well, now we multiply by 4 on both sides to get rid of our fraction, so times 4 to get us x squared equals 0. Take the square root on both sides to get x equals 0. Again, we're taking the square root. The square root of 0 is just 0. And we get our answer, x equals 0.